Okay, then next we're going to look at testing insulation resistance, and this time we're going to do it on a Class 2 piece of equipment. If you look there, there's a symbol there, the square within the square, and that's a symbol denoting that this piece of equipment is Class 2. Now don't be fooled, you may look at the plug itself and see that it's got an all metal connection, or you may even see metal on the appliance itself. However, because you've got the Class 2 construction, it is Class 2. So insulation resistance then, we simply connect the appliance, we put it onto our Class 2 setting, and it's important that with either the crocodile clip or the straight probe, we try and get a contact on something that's metal or earth. And the reason for that is inside the working of the appliance, should any of the internal casing be broken, it could be touching something. Highly unlikely, but you never know. So what we look to do is to get it on something that's metal. And in this case here, I'm just going to put it onto a metal screw there. So the test itself is done at 500 volts. And inside, when I press the start button, the line and the neutral are shorted out together. So it's doing a test to earth. Now it's important to note that when you do this test, you're supposed to switch the appliance on. But really you don't want to be holding the appliance. So if I just press the trigger in and press down the locking button there, and then I'm touching the appliance that way, it's safe to proceed. The test itself will give you results in megohms, which is millions of ohms, and we'll look at 15.5 of the code of practice for the pass and fail values. So here we go, pressing the button. And as you can see there, the green indicator come up as a pass, and the value there is saying greater than 20 million ohms, 20 megohms. And there you have your insulation resistance test on a piece of Class 2 equipment.